So, welcome back to another episode of Simple Vegan Recipes. And as I said this summer, it's smoothie summer. So, this recipe, I'm going to do a mixed fruit smoothie with almond milk, half a cup of almond milk, and 1 cup of the mixed fruits. In this mixed fruits, we have strawberries, peaches, pineapple, and mango. So, let's go ahead and do this recipe. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and blend this for a minute. We have our mixed fruits in there and our almond milk. So let's go ahead and let's do this. So we're all done. Like I always do, encourage you guys to give those simple vegan recipes a try and subscribe to this channel for more simple vegan recipes. And I'll see you next time on Simple Vegan Recipes. Bye for now.